Have you ever stopped to think about it? Every day we check the time, we follow calendars, we live by the clock. But what is time, really? Does it truly exist? Or is it just an illusion created by our minds? We think of time as minutes, hours, days. But all of that, clocks, calendars, are human inventions. We made them to track the flow of events. But time itself? Is it something real? Or just a feeling, like water slipping through your fingers? According to Newton, time was universal. It moved the same way everywhere, no matter what. But then Einstein came along, and he changed everything. He said, time isn't fixed, it's relative. The faster you go, the slower time moves. The stronger the gravity, the more time stretches. That means a day on the International Space Station actually passes slightly slower than a day on Earth. So time isn't absolute. It bends, it shifts. But how do we feel time? Our brains don't have a clock. They sense time by organizing memories. When we're doing something new, time feels slow. But when everything feels the same, time flies. That's why summer felt endless as a child. But as adults, years pass in the blink of an eye. Time is tied to how deeply we experience life. And then there's philosophy. Philosophers have asked for centuries, is the present the only thing that's real? Is the past just a memory? Is the future only an expectation? Some say only now exists, but others, like some physicists, talk about the block universe, a theory where the past, present, and future all exist at once, like different points on a map. So, what about time travel? Well, to the future it's actually possible, at least in theory. Thanks to Einstein's relativity, time moves differently at high speeds. But traveling to the past? That's where things get weird. You run into paradoxes, like the famous grandfather paradox. If you went back and stopped your grandfather from being born, how could you exist? That's why, for now, time travel to the past lives in science fiction. So, after all of this, what is time? A dimension? A measurement? An illusion? Maybe time is just how we measure change. Maybe everything else is standing still, and we are the ones moving. Even with everything science has discovered, time remains one of the greatest mysteries of existence. If this made you think, give the video a like and subscribe for more. And now, I want to hear from you. Do you think time is real or just an illusion? Let's talk in the comments.